Does your WordPress website look like this, or like this? Let me ask you a question. Do you have the correct theme files and have set them up right? Let me show you how your theme files should look. This is how coding works, and this is theme files in the FTP. Firstly, I'm using FileZilla here to access my FTP. Others may use the cPanel. Head to your site's root folder, then WP content, themes, select the theme that you're using, and then boom, you'll be presented with your theme files. Besides the 3 folders that are put in there by preference, you'll need all of these PHP files within your theme files. Firstly, 404.php is a page template for a page that users will land on if they enter the incorrect URL into the search bar or they click a broken link. Now let's talk about the header and the footer. The header will sit at the top of every web page on your website. It'll include things like your logo, navigation, and useful links in this area. The footer will sit at the bottom of every page on your website, and you'll include social media links, useful links, and usually some disclaimers at the bottom here. For every website to work, you will need a Functions.php file. I will make another video looking deeper into the Functions.php file, but for now, just make one. Every website will also need an Index.php file. Developers usually use Index.php to denote the main or home page of a website or an app. You'll need to create a Single.php file, which is essentially just the main template for a normal page on your website. Last but not least, you'll need a Style.css file. This is where you'll include all the styling for your website. I usually keep my style within the CSS so that I can add external styling scripts as well to that folder so they don't get jumbled up with the other templates and various PHP files in the root directory. As you can see, I also do this with my JavaScript files, just to keep it a bit tidier. Within this images folder, I place images that I'm going to be frequently using throughout when building my website. As a bonus, here's a look at the Homepage.php. The reason why Homepage.php also sits within this folder is because this is where your templates for your website are going to go. Your posts, your page templates are all going to sit inside the same directory as all these other files.